welcome to the channel. This is Astha. I hope you all are doing great. And guys, in this video, we'll discuss about the latest interview experience of one of the candidates. Okay, he went for the interview for system engineer role with INFOSYS company. He's our subscriber Faizan, and he's done with his interview with INFOSYS company. So guys, in this video, Faizan is going to share all his interview questions, his experience, his preparation tips with us. And I'm sure this video is going to be very helpful if you are waiting for your interview with INFOSYS company. So please do watch the video till the end. Welcome, Faizan, and I'm really glad that you came on our channel to share your experience with us.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Good afternoon, madam.
Yeah, good afternoon, Faizan. Faizan, please give us your brief introduction.
Yes, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you for giving me opportunity, madam. My name is Faizan Sheikh, madam. I am from Karwar city, madam. I have pursued my MTech from Energy Systems Engineering, madam, from KLE Technological University, madam. And I have basically I am from mechanical background, madam. Okay. I have passed out my mechanical from Girijabai Sale Institute of Technology, madam. Then I have pursued my PUC from St. Joseph College, Karwar, and I have pursued my SSLC from St. Joseph High School, Karwar, madam. And these were my basic questions, madam. And later on, I have introduced about my project, madam. My MTech project was on numerical studies on insulating material selection, madam. I have introduced him regarding what all tools I have used, how the project flow was there, etc., madam. And later on, he asked me what are the technical skills you have. I mentioned that as I am from mechanical background, I have mentioned him as I had NC's workbench software skills. Then I had some basics on core Java, madam. Then later on, he had focused me on my project, madam. How did it work? What are the how did you face the difficulties and so on, madam? And later on, after finishing it, madam, he have asked me like, what are you are from mechanical background. Why? From where did you learn Java and all, madam? First, he asked me like, what are the Java which languages are you comfortable with? I said I'm comfortable with my Java language, madam. Then later on, he said me that. From where did you learn this Java? I said him, madam, I have joined some institute, madam. Then later on, I have gained my skills. So I am familiar with my Java code, madam. Then later on, he have asked me some questions on SDLC, madam. Like what is SDLC? What are the types of SDLC and so on. Then later on, he asked me that, do you know coding language and so on. Then I said, I know the coding language. Okay. Then later on, I said him that, in which code editor do you use Java language? I said him that we can use it in Notepad, Sublime, Eclipse, and so on, madam. Okay. Then later on, he said me that, okay, Faizan, this was from my side. Then later on, any questions do you have for me? Then I asked him that, sir, which technologies do you work recently in your INFOSYS company? Then he mentioned it as we currently work on cyber security, Internet of Things, like various trending technologies, etc. Then later on, he said, I asked him that, sir, you are currently INFOSYS company. So how many years have passed, sir, by in your company? He said me that I have been working since past 8+ years, madam. Okay. Then later on, after asking him this question, later on, he only turned me like, Faizan, do you have laptop with you? I said, yes, madam. Then later on, he asked me like, do you have 8 GB RAM hard disk? I said, yes, sir. Then later on, he asked me, do you have all microphone, camera working along with you? I said, yes, sir. Are you willing to relocate? Yes, sir. Then so on. Yes, sir. Then later on, he said me that, okay, Faizan, HR will contact you, so you can leave the meeting. So this was my process of the interview, madam.
Okay. So great. Actually, guys, Faizan done with his interview today only in the morning itself. He gave this interview. So Faizan, according to you, the interviewer was friendly with you, means the interview is not that much difficult or moderate for a mechanical candidate?
Sir, being a mechanical, it was very free. The interview was very friendly, madam. And I don't think that being a mechanical or being a IT, we should not think that we can't proceed to IT field. So if we have good communication skill and if we try to impress the interviewer, like in the way of saying, then we can crack any of the interview, madam.
Right,
So
right.
no.
Right. So, because the interviewer asked mostly questions from the project side to you, right?
Yes, ma'am.
He's focused on directly
We
on your
should
project.
focus more on project.
Okay. And you're done with your Java also. You learned Java language. So he asked questions
Yes,
from
ma'am.
Java. Okay.
Just he asked me like which editor do you use,
Hmm.
and that's it, madam. And he asked me what is SDLC.
Okay.
That's it.
So great. So as you can see, guys, and in my all preparation videos also, I used to tell you people, if you belong to non-CSIT, then also you can crack INFOSYS, no problem. You just need to be confident. You need to prepare yourself for some basic IT related questions like what is SDLC, what is loops concepts. These are the most repeated, frequently asked questions. So be prepared with those questions. And because he knew Java also, so as I used to suggest all of you, if you belong to any other branch, no problem, but you have to be learn some programming language, any one programming language you can learn. Okay, that will really help you out to crack IT company, and later on you need to work in the same domain, same technology, right? So that will help you out there. So great. Faizan, you came in our channel, you shared your experience with us. It's really great for us. I'm sure your interview
Yes,
questions will going to be helpful for other people. Guys, to Faizan, they mostly ask questions related to the project, to the Java language that he learned. Okay, how he learned Java language and all those things, because he don't belong to my CSIT, right? So that's why they asked him all those questions. Any other tip you want to share with us, Faizan?
madam, we have to, if any other tips means, if we are from another any other background, at least you have to get some basics of OOPS concept, madam.
Mhm.
OOPS concept, or any, at least you have to have basic technical knowledge like what is abstraction, what is encapsulation, what is polymorphism. These are some basic interview questions which HR, which the interviewer ask commonly, madam. So basically, we have to learn pillars of Java, SQL questions,
Mhm.
some basics definition we have to get, like RDBMS,
Mhm.
and so on, madam.
Okay, so great. Thank you so much, Faizan, that you came on our channel, and I'm sure this video is going to be helpful for people as well. All of you, those are watching this video, please do prepare, whether you belong to CS or non-CS branch, no matter, just prepare some basic definition questions, basic technical questions that are mostly repeatedly asked in INFOSYS interviews. I've already shared complete playlist on my channel. More than 70 to 80 people's live interaction I have already shared on the channel. That will really help you out. How you need to crack interview, how you need to face the interview. Okay. To Faizan, they didn't ask much HR questions, right? They didn't ask you
Madam,
anything like why you were choosing IT sector or something like that?
they have asked me like indirectly, like you are from mechanical, then how you learn this Java language? They have
Okay.
asked me indirectly, madam.
Right. So guys, be prepared with this answer also. Ki being a non-mechanic, being a non-IT candidate, why you want to join IT sector and why are you coming to this industry? So be prepared with all such questions that will help you out here. Okay. Thank you so much, Faizan, that you came on our channel and shared your experience
Thank
with
you,
us.
madam.
I hope this will
Thank
going
you.
to be very helpful for candidates as well. Please, guys, be prepared with your interview preparation and do share your interview questions also with us so that we can share with all the candidates. Those are waiting for the interview. Okay. Thank you so much. Well, the next video maybe with a new update.